Hi, it's Caroline, and today I'm taking you through a tour of a new construction home here in St. Lucie County, Florida. This home features 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, has a 3-car garage, and it's just over 3,200 square feet of living space. The base price starts at $737,900. And as we go through this home, I'm going to highlight all the upgrades and options that can add to the base price so you can make an informed decision when planning your budget. So let's go ahead and get inside and take a look. As you walk into the foyer, you can see that you have this nice wood flooring and also a stone tile entranceway, as well as the paint and the decorative options that are all going to be upgrades. It's a beautiful entrance, nice open floor plan. You have that formal dining space, which is technically flex space. You could make that another bedroom and have a 4th bedroom if you wanted to. So this is the first of the 3 bedrooms they're showing in this model. If you notice, you have the nice walk-in closet with that cedar shelving instead of the wire rack. You have that wood flooring throughout. And then you have a full bath with a stand-up shower and 2-tone tile in that shower. So those look like upgrades to me. And another thing I'm noticing is the doors are all painted, which typically might not even be an upgrade. It could be a designer feature because I see this accent like charcoal color. That's usually something you're not going to get done. It's just to show you decorative. So if you come to the other side, you're seeing the half bath, laundry room with cabinets, this cute little door. This looks like it's a laundry chute, so the owner's suite must be on the other side of that. We'll take a look when we get over there. And then here's your 2nd bedroom. The carpeting would usually come. We talked about that wood shelving. You have another full bath. This one also has a stand-up shower, which is typically an upgrade. And then you're going to come over where you have the AC. You have more cabinets. This would probably, when you walk in the garage, your mudroom, you could just add. They're showing you one way to do it. This is the 2-car garage. You had the 3rd car that was separate on the other side of the house. And I'll point out something interesting about that when we get over there. So this is an optional 2nd floor. It adds about 500 square feet, just over 500 square feet. So that would make this an option, and it would make the total square footage 3,738 if you were to do it in this floor plan. So they're using this as a workout room with another full bath. You can make this a bedroom, an office, playroom, entertainment, really whatever you want, and that's what they're showing you. So you need a 2nd AC with the additional square footage. And then you can see the full bath with the tub, where that would usually be included. And then you see this half wall. So that's why they're calling it the loft area. You have those windows bringing in lots of natural light into this room. So it's a nice size. That tile or that flooring, again, going to be an upgrade. Paint, mirror, all of that. Typically designer features, something you're not going to be able to do till after you close on it. But you can always ask for the designer. So if you see a model home that you like, you can ask who did that. They'll usually let you know. So here's that additional bedroom, laundry room, half bath. And then you walk into the foyer with that tile. Again, that's an upgrade. Might not even be something that you can do. And if you notice the ceiling, you have crown molding that's painted. And you also have these additional cabinets. So that really wouldn't be considered part of the kitchen. It's probably an upgrade, more than likely is an upgrade. Along with, it looks like these cabinets are slightly upgraded. The appliance package could be included. You do have this nice open area just to give you a view, but these will not be included. So these look like wine coolers, additional. So if you do a lot of entertaining, you want your wine, your alcohol, your ice, here you go. You would be able to have it in here. And they put 2 of them in, which is a nice decorator option. Now, depending on how much you entertain, would determine how practical that would be. And if you can see, you have your oven, your cooktop that vents out, You have all this cabinet space. You have this wood shelving inside the pantry, which would typically be an upgrade. And like I said, this they're using as a dining room, but it is the flex space in this floor plan, so that could be the fourth bedroom. So when you walk through here, like I said, this wet bar and all those cabinets would be additional. And then you have this outside patio area, which I'll go through too, because it looks like there's a lot of options and upgrades in there. So there's your linen closet. And as we walk into the owner's suite, I like that they kept the flooring the same throughout. Typically you would get carpet in the bedrooms. So now when I look at this, I would say that tile is an upgrade, but you'll typically get a stand-up shower in the owner's suite. These wood shelving, typically an upgrade. Now, when you have the tub separating those two sinks, I'm guessing you would have one long countertop without that tub. That tub would be an upgrade. And the tile on the floor as well. And then that's where the laundry was in that room. So when I looked through the laundry room, you had that little cubby hole. That's where the laundry would be. So you could put your dirty clothes in there, and it's just right in the laundry room. Now you have this open space, which is all centered around this patio area. I love that you have this covered lanai, the tile, and then you have an additional full cabana bath out here. So this is typically something that would be extra, and it's separate from the rest of the house. Well, it's a half bath. It's not a full bath, but it's outside, and they've really decorated this more of an entertaining home from the way I can see, with all of the wine coolers, this huge pool, the seating area. This screened in section is something people typically do in Florida just to keep bugs out, just to really keep it screened in. It's nice to have when you're outside in Florida, especially if you want to open all your windows and you have that screened in area, plus if you're sitting out here. So you can see they've done a ton of upgrades. This pool is large. You have these built-in seating. I mean, that's just a lot. I'm guessing in the hundreds of thousands, at least 100,000 in upgrades. And then I don't know if you could do this screened in. Some builders allow it, some don't. So that's something you always want to check on. You could always just screen in the covered lanai area. I recommend that if you're not doing a pool. It's just, we have a lot of mosquitoes here in Florida. Then when you walk in, you can see, again, it's just a really nice open floor plan. You have the owner's suite. You have a in-law suite or a potential in-law suite. So when I say that with the flex space, if you remember, you have this eating area here. So when they show you the additional formal dining room, you could actually enclose all of that in and make it like an owner's suite or an in-law suite, because it touches the other bedroom. And if you notice, there was a 3-car garage, but there's no entrance to the third car. You have to go outside to get into that third car. Well, depending on how you configure this side of the house would allow you to get into the third car from inside the house, which is another thing to think about if you are living maybe in a multi-generational home, or you just want that separate living area. Somebody could park in the garage, walk in this own space, and you could really do a lot with this builder in terms of options and upgrades to customize it. They have 39 different options you could do on this floor plan. Well, thanks for joining me. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if there's a specific community you'd like me to feature, please leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to cover it. Lastly, if you have any questions or want help buying a new home, feel free to call me at 561-560-3244. I love this front space, but I'm also going to show you how do you get into that 3-car garage. Well, here it is. You could either go out through that door, or this is a side door, which takes you to the side of the house. So it's really important when configuring this floor plan to figure out if you want direct access to the inside of the house. You can't make that wall a bedroom, or else this is how you're going to have to get through. I hope you enjoyed. Again, feel free to reach out. Caroline, 561-560-3244.